Hey, Steve Zelenardo here with Treviso Realty. Behind me is the Columbus model. This is one of the products that we're going to be offering at our investment seminar coming up shortly. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 1,870 square foot detached. We're going to buy these properties for $275,000. It's a brand new product. What's important about this product exactly is it's going to put $300 to $500 of passive income in your pocket every month. So that's after all expenses. Your ROI is between 6 and 8% and your cap rate's between 5 and 7%. So as a mom and pop investor, this is going to be amazing. It's going to be zero maintenance. It's going to give you appreciation, mortgage pay down by the tenants, and it's also cash flowing per month. So this is a great way to buy into Florida and be cash positive. You're from up north. You're not going to believe what you can get for $275,000. Go have a look.